it's not a plan. What you are going properly. Franchise is choosing us. 10-star general. But you know I'm come for represent, you know a full effect about it. And we go already. And we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about it. Watch me man, I'm the people's champion. Oh you mean? A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yeah, hear my Gaza Nation. Right about now. The thing for Privy Council. So I get on in action. Right about now. Me a whole heap of people are running them out. Say Vybz Kartel, change lawyer and all of them something there. A simple thing man, it no need them big lawyer there. But I don't know if you can get turned down and reject if you go to the Privy Council. Because you don't know that thing is a new thing to all Jamaicans. We know it can happen, but we might never experience it yet. You see what I say? Sure. It's just a one-time work because from the thing we reach to the Privy Council, it out of all of them on. Because I'm sure one of them are going to represent him at the Privy Council. You see what I'm dealing? So, you don't know Gaza Nation. We're always strong up. You see what I'm dealing? That we never lose faith yet. Because here we go on. Some things you have to ride it out to the end. And if you not say the end, friend, you can go on from now. You see me? Because no lollipop thing. You see what I'm dealing? Yeah man, real talk me make. Some shit you have to ride it out to the end because here we go on. Worse when you know them wonder boy. You see what I'm dealing? Yeah man. So, you don't know Gaza thing go already. And from it out feed them on. We will sacrifice for that. From it out feed them on. Because we don't know. Say, a be a hatred and all kind of bad mind and grudgeful them have up against the man. Worse because it's a man where vocally when it comes on to all the system and poor people. You see what I'm dealing? Watch. But here we go on man. We see some local man, you know. I run in on my comment box. And I go like say them a really shish kebab. Remember I said we not argue with people, you know, youth. And most of them are some local youth and local girl, you know. I tell you something. We no whole argument with you, you know. I will never call you over your say, you know. I don't know how to come over Gaza people place, you know. And I run off from the mouth like that, you know. Oh, now I walk up on the beak, so. Mind on yourself, you know. You see what I deal with? I love Gaza people, you know. For execute, you know. Them writing finger, you know. On Gaza platform, you know. And I come over here, say, you know. We don't know body wash mouth and not lip up, you know. Because nobody now listen to what I say, you know. Over here say, you know. Nobody now over here so for a trick, you know. With fairy tales business, you know. Nobody now listen, you know, to Anansi stories over here, you know. So get that now in the head, you know. You see what I did? Nobody over here so no put nothing local to thing with first class. You hear that? So go on with a look at animated story. You know what I mean? Look at Disney World patient. Feel like when you can come and talk to man. When I talk to man say. But what? What I do? Eh? What I do? That you can talk to man. When I talk to man say man. Eh? When you want to use in the mouth and give an artist highlight. No, my brethren. And music you have to use and do that. You hear that? So it no matter what you think, and it no matter what you say, if you not have the music behind him, and let me tell you something, it's not all about having the music too. If the music not reach nowhere, and I stop out of Norman Manley Airport, and not touch overseas, serious problem on you know, man. You know what I mean? So you know there. And I talk about Gaza, about Vybz Kartel, this and Vybz Kartel, that. Just know yourself, man. Know what we're not chat about. You know what I mean? Because we know, you know, bad mind full enough, you know. You see what I deal with? We know that for sure. How much I know we hear a chat can buy music because no school in session right about now, you know. I don't get no lunch money, you know. So we want to know how much I can buy music. We don't depend on the local people for buy Vybz Kartel music, brother. So be independent people talk about Gaza. I want to tell you, man, come like when you're blind and you don't even see what I go on, man. Where you think me there? Yeah? And I chase bank me there, pull out some papers out of the machine. You see what I deal with? I remember say it's a working route, you see what I say? We must get a check from pay there. You know what I mean? And I know every time I get my check, I look upon it. Sometimes I never look when I get paid. Real talk. No lollipop thing. I just know money there, so I never look. You know them way there? Yeah, man, I'm not joking. Kind of like me get a check, a direct deposit me get, and every time I look on that. Yeah, man. Sometimes I don't ever look on it for weeks. And look if it correct and all them shit there. Real talk. I remember saying, you know, we's a man, you know. We not, remember saying, you know, we's a youth, you know, we ghetto youth, you know. We know, you know, so we not live above our means, you know, bad man. We not do that, you know, we not put our wish for our hand can't reach it, you know, for please nobody. You see what I say? No time at all 10 star or do that. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I say. It's hot out here, you know. What I say? Living fire, you know. Boy, Gaza Nation, Mr. Man, they don't know what Jamaica man from and them shit, yo. But I never gonna lie to you, you know. Mr. Man, I like when time it even chill it out when I'm talking about that. I have no gimmicks business, you know. I ain't not empty. Can't manage it, yeah. Too blood clot out here. When I talk about, I tell you about, no breeze at all, no blowing or nothing at all, man. I'm telling you, man, and the ear chin, my brother, like a suffocation business. I'm telling you, man. Cause this morning I watch the thing on the news and around 85 degrees. I don't even know how much it is now. It'll probably be 100 to blood clot. I mean, I tell you, a fire out here. Water all running on my clothes. On the system, I almost now have on nothing. So I look a piece of shorts I have on and I look a t-shirt and the thing will bubble up like that. Eh? Sure. You don't know, you know. I saw the world boss song hot enough to the people, you know. Fire in them skin in them ears when them hear it, you know. Yeah, man. And right now, the thing gone overseas. Because the overseas people take on to it and love it. But, that's what I deal with. Plus, you have some overseas artists when I stop call up the world boss name and them followers them I run a look at who name world boss. Them love it, Gaza Nation. The thing gone first class. But you know I say too, no, a couple days left for the album release. Gaza Nation. Yo, I could dominate the first day. You see what I deal with? I could put some numbers on the first day. You see what I deal with? I could get a blistering start. You see what I say? I could kick out of the blocks with high knees and drive. You see what I deal with? And set a blistering pace on it. That means the album can be a success for everything where it offer. You see what I deal with? So I could put the muscle to the tussle. You see what I deal with? Yeah, I could put in the support now. You know what I mean? When you don't know, we don't deal with lollipop thing. A full effect thing. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man. I could put the papers or more, but I could put the money where we're more there. And a lollipop thing. You know what the general, the 10-star one represent in a full effect. And Gaza Nation, I don't know. Say, the art is willing, but more while the pocket weak. And I'm not going to say each and every one away can do that, but I'm going to say, if you have a friend and him can't hold the album, you hold it for him too, you hear me? Or you hold it for her too. You see what I deal with? Because you don't know it rough out the street. And you don't know 10-star now laugh with it. What? Boy violate Gaza, them get them head chopped off with it. Watch.